Oh my god. Finally, bro. Alright. Alright, master mode. I'm a master speller. This should be easy. Alright, we got this, bro. Yeah, we got this, bro. Master mode. Let's do this. I got this, chat. I got this, bro. Alright, here we go.
Your word is hippopotamonstrosusquipedaliophobia. Spell spectrophotofluorometry. Please spell bourgeoisification.
What the? Okay. Nah, I got this, chat. My turn. I got.
Can you spell cholangiocholecystocolidochectomy?
Bro, he's just making up words, bro.
Cholangiocholecystocolidochectomy.
He's making up words. These aren't words, bro. These are just sounds. I got this. I got this.
Your word is dermatofibrosarcoma protuberans.
What? All right.
Please spell sphygmomanometer.
Dude, this game is, bro, those aren't real words, chat.